Hey guys, this is Leah with Scott Leroy Marketing, and in today's tip video I'm going to show you how you can create an event or an appointment on your Google Calendar directly from a contact record in your database, in your command database. Right, so if you are working on setting up an appointment with your contact, you can do that right from your command database. So first thing we need to do is, of course, log into command at agent.kw.com. So again, that's agent.kw.com is where we go to log into command. And then we'll go ahead and click on the contacts option on the left-hand side menu of command whenever you get logged in. Okay, and feel free to pause the video if you're still working on logging in. Right, command does centralize all of our tools to the left-hand side menu here. So make sure you're clicking on that second icon down that looks like a contact card. And typically it doesn't take that long to load, but those will load up for you. And then we can go ahead and search for whatever the contact's name is to go ahead and add that in. So again, we use the search bar on the top left to search for that contact. And then go ahead and click on the contact name to open that up. So from here, from the contact, you'll go ahead and click the plus sign on the bottom right. And you can add calendar event. So you'll see a few options here actually. And if you hover your mouse over each one, it'll show you what that icon does, adding a note, adding an activity, which both of those things will add that to the timeline on the right-hand side of your contact record here. And but adding the calendar event, so that very bottom icon, will actually open up your Gmail account, your Google Calendar, to add an appointment for this contact. So I'll go ahead and click on that. All right, and it did take me to log in. I tested this out before doing it for you guys, and it did prompt me to log in. So if you're not already logged in on your browser, you might have to log in. Right? But if you're logged into your email already, it may log you in immediately. So right here I have that appointment at the top with my contact's name. Of course, you can edit that if you want to go ahead and add like listing appointment, for example. All right, when is that? That is set for Saturday. Okay, I don't want that to be all day, so I'll uncheck that. And I'll change that, from, let's say 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. You can select if this is a repeating event. Of course, you'll see other different items that you can add as you scroll down. Location might be helpful if you want to go ahead and add their home address or however you're meeting with them, or if that's virtual. On a Google Hangout, it does have that option. All right, you can add any notes and so forth. Even share that to other Google Calendars. And then you can click Save on the top right. It's asking if I would like to send invitations to the Google Calendar guests, which is very cool. So I'm going to go back so you can see that. So on the right-hand side, right, that is showing my contact's name. That was the contact I'm practicing with, right? That's my test contact. So that does bring that over to show that it's a guest for the appointment meeting. So if you want them to receive an invitation to add it to their calendar as well, when you click Save, it'll prompt you, so you can either click send or don't send, depending if you want it to invite them automatically, and it would add it to their Google Calendar. In this case, I'll click don't send. All right, and I'll go ahead and proceed through that. And so now I see on my calendar right here, I have that appointment set. And guys, just a heads up, so this is set in my KW Google account. So this is my KW Google Calendar. So if you do not have this set up on your phone already, okay, all you would need to do is add the Gmail account to your phone. So if you can view your mail on your phone, like on your iPhone or on your Android, most likely you can view all of your calendar events automatically. So if that is added here, you should be able to pull up like your iPhone calendar, for example, or Android will have Google Calendar, and that usually syncs within about 15 minutes from what I've seen, right? So that should sync automatically to your phone as well, and you can set that to give you alerts from your phone and from Google Calendar. If you have any questions on how to integrate, your Google Calendar with your phone, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. That's support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'd be more than happy to help. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Let us know if you have further questions.